Hi, so I'm really excited to do an unboxing of the most recent order I did from Sankei for some students of mine and also some very good friends of mine. It's just a really simple order. It's just the incense that I absolutely love from Moxa. And if you are struggling with your incense, if your incense maybe ashes too much, or if you think that it's too thick for your hands, or it constantly sticks to your moxa, make sure to watch some of my YouTube videos on how to really perfect your moxa and some tips and tricks there. And if you're interested in a little bit more fine detail and you're like, I really want to get my moxa down solid and I want my acupuncture just awesome and I want to get my technique up and I really want to understand what my teachers are talking about, all of those questions and more are answered in my Shinkyu University course. If you're more interested, you can definitely PM me or DM me, whatever it's called, and I'd be more than happy to set up an interview with you, as it's an interview only course. But without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, so I already kind of started unboxing it because, well, I'm just that type of person who never does unboxing videos, so here we go. So from Sankei, right now, for those of you who do any shipping outside of the country, you know that it's just absolutely horrible right now. This is the smallest pack, the largest package, that you can ship from Japan right now, which is why I have 2 huge boxes of just incense rather than just one, because you just can't ship anything really large through Japanese postal service right now. It's really annoying. And FedEx and all of that are just really expensive. So there's that. Voila! 2 boxes. This is the one I already unboxed. He sent me a little description of what's in it there. You can totally contact Enomoto-san and tell him Maya sent you, and yeah, I just appreciate it so that way he knows where his referrals are coming from. So like one of these with shipping is going to cost you between 700 to 800 yen, depending on how much you get, right? So if you get more, your shipping costs go down a little bit. I've already done a video about why I like this on social media, but just to rehash, I mean, this is like, it's less than $7. It's just amazing. And so this moxa has an awesome scent. It's a really, it's a mild scent, and it's just really easy to hold in your hands like this. And just to show you a little bit, and close that all down so it's easier for you to see. It's just really easy to hold in your hands, and it's not super thick, and it also doesn't ash a lot, which I really, really love. And so that way the ash doesn't always get stuck to your moxa. So my favorite incense is this really thin incense. It's not as thin as the normal green incense you get here in Japan, and not as thick as like the purple stuff, here in the United States, excuse me. And it's not as thick as the purple stuff that you can get here either. It's like in between that, and it's really sturdy, so you can still break it, but you can, like, it's not gonna snap it like a twig like those little green ones will. So I hope you enjoyed that video about which incense that I totally love for my moxa practice. Again, it doesn't have a specific brand to it, but you can get it from Sankei, so oq83.jp. I'll go ahead and link below. They are the easiest place to get moxa materials from outside of Japan, in my opinion, if you want to order directly from Japan. This incense, as far as I know, is not sold in the United States or outside of Japan. I am working on that. But you can definitely contact Enomoto-san and be like, I want the moxa that Maya gets, and he will know, or he will ask me, and I will tell him again. Really awesome incense, great smell, not a lot of ash, doesn't break easily. It's amazing. You want this incense, you need this incense, you should get this incense. And P.S., I don't get anything ever from selling these things on the internet. Like, I don't get any kickback from this. I just think it's an awesome product, and I want you to have awesome products so you can be an awesome acupuncturist. If you really would love to learn more from me and really get your moxa and acupuncture practice to be solid and have a great foundation and learn more and delve deeper into Japanese acupuncture, please feel free to reach out. You can comment below. You can also go to shinkyuuni.com, which is linked below, and I will set up an interview with you.